Blue Chip Technologies Asia has developed an AI program specifically designed to enhance business productivity by finding leads for trade, manufacturing, and services. This cutting-edge technology utilizes complex algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and identify potential leads that align with a company's target market. By leveraging AI for lead generation, businesses can streamline their sales process and focus their efforts on high-quality prospects. This not only saves time and resources, but also increases the likelihood of closing deals and driving revenue growth. Furthermore, the AI system can be customized to meet the specific needs of different industries, ensuring that businesses receive leads that are relevant and valuable to their operations. Whether it's identifying potential clients for a manufacturing company or sourcing new suppliers for a trade business, Blue Chip Technologies Asia's AI solution is a powerful tool for driving business success. In conclusion, AI for business productivity with finding leads for trade, manufacturing, and services is a game changer for companies looking to stay ahead of the curve. With Blue Chip Technologies Asia's innovative technology, businesses can unlock new opportunities and achieve their growth objectives with ease. Contact us, hello@bluechiptech.asia.